I'm going to be sharing with you in this video some of the magic that is aiding me right now to be on a 100% win rate. I've been sharing the trades, we've been making the profits together, and I am still looking for higher prices. So I'll be going through the next upcoming trades and how we can be looking to really take advantage of this wonderful volatility. Lovely uptrend, which is, let's be honest, giving lovely profits across the conservative trading account and the aggressive trading account. That trade now sat in $7,800 of profit. And these are the exact trades that I've been talking you through in these very videos. I am still long and short. I am still looking for higher. So let me prepare you for even more profits to come throughout this video. I think you're going to absolutely love it. So, yeah, big smiles. Let's get into the charts. That's what we love, right? So, yeah, we've now actually flipped that big key zone of 67,500 into support. And as you can see here, this is what I love as a trader. I love it that we have a daily naked point of control now at 67,350. And this is what you call, madre mia, wonderful confluence. When I take the fixed range of the uptrend that we're in right now, so from the low of that fake out, which is where I doubled down on this position of the long from 0.5 Bitcoin to 1 Bitcoin. So I added another half a Bitcoin onto this position for a total of $60,000 into this trade. This is where I double down, right on this low here as we faked out. But what I want to show you is if we now pull a fixed range from the low of that fake out to the current high, lovely confluence with the point of control of the uptrend right on that daily naked point of control. You couldn't ask for more. So, of course, that's a wonderful support now, and we can be aware of that potentially as we go into Sunday night with the CME opening. We could have this CME gap. So it's just something to bear in mind. CME gap, going to be looking for the uptrend point of control. It's just a very nice level that I think you should be aware of. And locally, this is for you lower term time frame traders, and I'll get back onto the higher term time frame, but you all know what we'd be looking for next, right? So we're talking about the high from the 22nd of July, we got a simple failed auction swing failure pattern trade. Again, this is a trade that you could hold for simply 5 minutes if the reaction is nice. Why? Because the first take profit you'd be looking for is the VWAP, right? So, we're talking about a trade here that could last less than $500 from 68,500 down to 68,100. But these are, I will say this, I am bullish. I am expecting higher, but I am not scared to take short trades. If we get a nice reaction here, we end in a swing failure pattern or failed auction, then what we can be looking for here is the short off of the high. Okay, look for take profit on the VWAP, lock in that take profit one, put the stop loss into profits or entry at this point, and then we can look for either a move down to 67,350 or simply support hold, continuation of this local uptrend. We move on actually to bigger targets towards $69,000. So yeah, this is a quick trade based off the 22nd of July high where we can look for the SFP failed auction, and you're no stranger to those types of trades if you have been a member anything longer than a few months. This is our bread and butter, right? So yeah, this is what we call just scalp trading against the overall prevailing trend, and of course trading with the trend right now is where we're making a lot of profits. So what I do find very interesting about the bigger level above us, which is sat around, look at this monthly naked point of control, $69,375. I wanted to do a little bit of a talk about this level in particular. But first, I actually want to go through really briefly this conservative trading account, because like I've said, this is on a 100% win rate. And if you have followed me over the years, I've been doing this every day, right, for years now. Okay, actually over 5 years here on YouTube, and of course in my own time being trader for over a decade. I've got the experience behind me. And when I've come onto the YouTube video and as I've talked about trades, used to get the comments, this seems fake. This guy just keeps winning. How is this possible? Well, the trades are in front of you. I've been talking you through each step of the way. So, that for the non-believers or anything of the sort, you can see the results for yourself. This account has been open just over 2 months. Okay, so I opened it at the start of June, pretty much, end of May. And from here, each step of the way, I've been sharing the trades, giving predictions in advance, letting people know what I'm after. And, just for full transparency, you can see every single trade. Let me just hide my face a second. You can see every single trade that I've taken on this account. There's no hiding anything. There's no, anything random going on here. It's just full transparency, full honesty, showing you that this is possible if you put your time and brain into this. Okay, there's no magic tricks here. It's just hard, cold discipline. I'm a very hard worker. I love my craft, and I simply just love and enjoy what I do. And through this enjoying, through this love of the game, well, I'm making the profits, which I see others are too, been following Daniel, and I can tell you this, it's easy money just by following his trades, but do study the course, make your own strategies, right? So by following along, I'm on 100% win rate on this account. This is the conservative trading account. On the aggressive account, we're making some pretty crazy high profits, and it's just to say to you, yeah, the evidence is in front of your eyes. For the non-believers, there's always going to be some, but yeah, it's here in front of you. This is 100% win rate. And I've had the comments before, how does this guy keep winning? Well, I'll tell you this, it's a simple thing. Patience, waiting for the best trades, having confidence taking those trades. You don't see me backing out, scared of a trade. It comes to my entry, I'm thinking, oh, it might come a bit lower. No, full confidence, bam, I'm in. I plan the trade, I trade the plan, and I make a lot of profits doing so. Okay, this is just a smaller conservative trading account, but we're having a lot of fun. 100% win rate, uptrend continues, and it looks very much like the Bitcoin chart as of late, right? So, yeah, if you want to be honestly, you know, I had this question the other day. Why do you shill chart champions? Why do you talk about it so much? I honestly can say with my hand on heart, I am the founder, the builder of Chart Champions, right? I built this knowing the power that we can have. I've put my heart, soul, time, blood, sweat, and tears into Chart Champions. I talk about it because I know it can help you. I truly know it can help you. What I have built here is an educational platform that is teaching people how to do it. The trades that I'm taking, the profits that I'm making can be learned. These methods, these strategies, it's all taught. I'm not hiding anything. I want you to succeed. And so I know the more reach that we get, the more people that watch these videos, the more people we can help. Okay, because the majority of people in crypto lose their money. They follow the wrong people, they get scammed, they fall into these tricks. Okay, there's no hidden agenda here. I'm here, I'm helping, and even if you're just here watching for free, there are amazing trades to be had alongside me. So I just wanted to mention that, and it feels good to be on this 100% win rate to show you full transparency and honesty here. You know, it's in front of your eyes what can be achieved with this you know, these best trades, let's say. So moving on to end, I wanted to talk about, yeah, this wonderful confluence, so to speak, of 69,300. And if you remember, I hope you can, it's not that hard, but when we zoom back out on the chart here and we look back to November 2021, what was the all-time high? Well, let me just refresh your brain in case you cannot remember, but that all-time high, 69,182. So what is really nice, what we talk about like confluence, so to speak, on this, is this bigger zone above us of this monthly daily naked point of control. It's on and around that November 2021 all-time high. And that's just, again, I'm not saying this is going to be the high of this move and from here it's down, but this is what we talk about, like a very nice confluence zone to just be aware of the reaction, right? This is how we're able to walk away with such high win rates. It's not pre-setting orders and hoping for the best. It's waiting for alerts to go off. It's checking the reaction. It's looking at things such as the order flow. I've told you this before. This is what makes having such high win rates. You check the order flow. This is hard, cold data. There's no guessing here. It's factual information, it's data, it's evidence, it's on the charts, and it shows us the strength of the move. It shows us the strength of a reaction, okay? Do we go through it like butter? Do we get a visual trapped amount of traders into the highs? That's what I analyze as I make these decisions and take my trades. So yeah, as it stands, I'm in no shorts here at the moment. I am looking for higher, remaining long and chill, so to speak. Okay, I feel if we get this pullback during the weekend, this is a very nice level, 67,350 in terms of the uptrend point of control, daily naked point of control. Okay, if we start to break down from here, then that is going to be your first, let's say, sign of weakness. Okay, so local point of control, very, very, very lows would be around 66,800. So this is just something you might want to write down. If we lose 66,800, that is a major sign of weakness here locally. Well, we could be looking for this topping pattern. But until we see major signs of weakness, we got nice support below us. relatively small resistance above us. Again, it's enough for a scalp short. Okay, be aware of the VWAP intraday from that scalp short, right? This is you're going to be your first take profit. But overall, yeah, we can be looking towards next 69k, and then if we get through that, have a guess what, 70, 71 all-time highs. It's a simple game of level to level trading, remaining patient, have the confidence to take your trades when they come to your support. You know, I've lined up some trades. Okay, over the past few weeks, I've even given you those magic lines. I'm here to help. I want to help you. Let me help you. Please listen carefully, follow along, and yeah, you can change your life through this trading game. So yeah, I just want to end with that. We'll see how this goes. Now about to hit 7,900. Let's see if we can hit $8,000 of profit in just over a week on this trade that we're in right now. So yeah, thank you ever so much. Hope you've enjoyed. I want to end with one final thing, and that is just a reminder, although we are, you know, talking about trades, giving trades, my main focus is always going to be the education. It's teaching you how to fish, not giving you those fish. We're not a signals group, okay? It is talking about, you know, we are very much focused on the education and aiding you become a very profitable and consistent trader, okay? So with that said, hope that you've thoroughly enjoyed this. And I'll see you, if you want to see me, once again tomorrow for the Champions. I got the Champions live stream every day of the week. I'm here, I'm helping out. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow on Sunday for the Champions live stream if you want to become a member and see that video. That's a higher term time frame swing trade video. I'll go over the Elliott waves as well. So yeah, it's going to be a nice one. See you there. Cheers, everybody. Thank you. And hope you have a brilliant weekend. Cheers.